In this video, I will show you how to get HBO Max for free with AT&T. Now first of all, just going to search for which wireless plans include an HBO Max subscription, because you need to be on one of these plans. Now these can change in the future, therefore I recommend searching for it. So currently you can get it for free on all of these plans right here. So if you're on one of those plans, again, it may change in the future. They could remove some and add some other ones. But to check this, what you can do is just go to HBO Max and click on sign in the top right. Then from there, usually they would have you sign in with an email address, but you don't yet have an account. Instead, you want to click on create an HBO Max account and then here connect your provider. You can see AT&T is already listed here. If you don't see directly, just search for AT&T. And then you will be able to find it. So select AT&T, then it will redirect you to the AT&T website, and from there you can now go and sign in using your AT&T account. And if you are eligible, meaning you are on one of these plans, you will then be redirected to HBO Max automatically, and from there you can start watching HBO Max for free as long as you keep your AT&T plan. So that's how to get HBO Max for free with AT&T. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.